all over the place from the hike, but I don't care. I don't, because this is so cool. And because I've got fluff, I'm not even getting eaten by mosquitoes. It's great. This is beautiful.
Hey, you can see a lot up here. Cool. I'm stuck. Help. Please help. I think we need to go to the bivouac.
Okay. So the hike up isn't as easy anymore. What are you doing in the skyline?
Casinos here, it's so addictive though. It's like if the chair, if the
Nature hike. Oh, geez.
I wouldn't be here right now.